here's a video to show you how to solve a trig problem with the use of trig identities to help you. Let's have a look at this question. Notice that we've got sine and cos, which make things difficult. Also, we need to pay careful attention to the interval that the solutions need to be in. Okay, so let's get started with dealing with the sine cos problem. So when you look at that, you see a sine squared. That should make this identity spring to mind. We could use this identity to convert the sine squared in the problem to cos squared, and then at least we'll have coses in there only. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so rearranging the identity, we have 1 minus cos squared theta. Okay, let's multiply out the other side while we're there. Okay, let's multiply this out. Let's get everything to one side. Okay, so this format that we've now got our equation into, where we've just got coses in there, that should make us think of a quadratic equation. It's exactly the same format as a quadratic equation, but instead of x, we've got cos theta. So we can factorise this in exactly the same way as we can a quadratic equation with x in. So let's have a look at that equation. That. Okay, so we've factorised our quadratic equation, and so therefore we can see that the solutions are cos theta equals 1. So let's have a quick look at the cos graph. Okay, and we can see in this range we've got minus 180 and 180, and that's 1, and this is a minus 1. Okay, we can see that we've got one solution in our range. The range for the question is minus 180 to plus 180, so our one solution is the theta equals 0 degrees. Okay, good. So we can see that there's another solution from this, and that's cos theta equals a half. Okay, so when cos theta equals half, if we put that in the calculator, we get that theta equals 60 degrees. Okay, so we could, instead of doing this cos graph sketch, we could use the cast diagram to work out if there are any other possibilities. So as we started with the diagram, we'll carry on with it. So 60, so that's 90 just there, so 60's there. Would correspond to minus 60. So we can see another solution is minus 60. So we have three solutions to this problem. we have the solution 0 degrees, 60 degrees and minus 60 degrees. I hope this has helped. Thank you very much for watching.